Hey you guys, so today we're making some ephemera for a holiday journal, and I have this little packet of Tim Holtz paper that looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and pick out a paper. See what's on the back of these. Okay, I think we'll do this one. And then I have another one that's already folded right here. We're going to do this one too. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is fold it 3 ways. And you could measure it and fold it, but I actually just did this. Kind of got it to the right. There we go. Went ahead and folded it just like this. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and make some pockets on the inside. I want to make a pocket, and then I want to make a little, like a notepad kind of a thing. So I'm going to take some paper that I have. I just have this paper. This paper is, it's kind of like false tea dyed paper, and it's just from Amazon. I got it a while back. And I want to make like a little pad of paper that goes over here. I think like 4 pieces is good for me. And then I'm going to get my tiny stapler out. Okay, and then I think what I'd like to do is put like a little piece of ribbon across the top of that. And I have some holiday ribbons in this little crazy box right here. I think I'm going to go ahead and put just a piece of crinkly ribbon across the top. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put something on the top of that from this little pack. Oh, that's cute. I'm going to go ahead and just glue this right on top. I'm going to ink around the outside of it. Okay, I like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick that little pad of paper inside of here. I think I'm going to go ahead and just glue the back part of it in here. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to move this one out of the way. And then I'm going to put a pocket, I think, on the middle page. So on that one, I'm just going to use a piece of paper. I have a bunch of scraps of paper in the front of this. Like maybe a piece of this plaid would be cute. Just like that. I'm going to make a little notch in the top of it. And then I'll ink around it. I'm going to go ahead and glue around this. And then I want to put maybe like that on the inside. That's cute. Okay, and then on this side, I think I'd like to put a tuck spot. I'm going to go ahead and put like a long piece of paper here so that I can tuck something in there. I think that would look cute. Oh, maybe like this. That's cute. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. And I'm just gonna glue on these 3 sides. Like that. And so now we have a spot where we can put a tag. We can put one of these tags inside of here. Oh my gosh, she's really cute in there. And then I'd kind of like to make a little piece of paper that we could write on, like journal on. I'm gonna go ahead and make like a little kind of trifold. Go ahead and tear this piece off. And then maybe I'll go ahead and round the corners on it. Just like that, that's cute. I'm gonna go ahead and ink it up. Okay, I like how that fits. Now I want to put like a little decoration on the outside of this. You could put that on there. I really like this. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on the outside. Let's see if I can still close it if I make it out. Okay, yeah, I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the side that this side that opens up, and I'm going to stick it out so that you can just pull it out by that little ridge. Okay, that's really cute. I like that. Okay. I'm going to ink around this little tag. Okay, and then let's decorate the front of it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like a little surprise when you open it up. I love it. Okay, and then let's put something on the front of it. Put this down just on half, or a little bit more than half. I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I like it just how it is. It is so cute. I love how it turned out. So we have like a little pad of paper that we could write on. Then we have the little tag that we could journal on. Then we have this journaling spot that we could go ahead and write on. I'll go ahead and stick this little guy inside of here. I love how it turned out. It's super cute. Okay, do you want to make that other one? Let's go ahead and do it. Let me go ahead and get that other one out that we folded. Oh, here it is. Okay. Let's go ahead and put some paper inside of this one. This time we're going to do some scrappy paper that's different sizes. This one I'm going to go ahead and staple first. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a little piece of, oh my gosh, that's really bright, but I'll put a little piece of rickrack on it. You know what? I think I need to use my Fabri-Tac for that. Glue this on with some art glitter glue. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this for the tuck spot on this page. I like those two to go on top of this. Okay, so I just went ahead and glued just on this, and the back side. So you could slide a little something in the front of there. And then I'm going to glue this on just on the one side. So that you can still tuck something back in there. Okay, and then let's go ahead and put our little pocket here. go ahead and eyeball where to put a notch. And on this one, I think I'm going to put one of these little collage strips. I'll go ahead and cut this one off. Actually, I'm going to cut it off in the middle of the plaid. Then you could journal on the back of it, and that is cute. Okay, and then I want to decorate the front of that pocket just a little. And you know what? I might just use part of the collage strip. So I made it so that you could tuck something in here as well. And then I thought I would make maybe like a little envelope kind of thing that I could tuck inside of here. I have this sheet of paper right here, and then I'm just gonna tear a piece of it. And I'm gonna fold it up and make like a little, one of those envelopes, but it's like a journaling envelope. I love to use these in my journals. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this just a little bit shorter. So I have glue on my fingers. Okay, so it's like a little envelope that you open up and then you can journal on the inside of. It's not really an envelope, but you know, just a journaling spot. It's really cute. And I'm going to go ahead and flatten it out really well. Oh, I have this little angel. I'm going to go ahead, I think I like her on there. And then maybe Winter Wonderland right here below her. That's cute. Okay, that's cute. I like that. And that will go inside of here. Okay. And then let's go ahead and just decorate the outside. There's our candy cane. That could go on there. I do have this other collage strip, and that would be cute to put. Look at that. Let's do that. I'm just going to glue on these two sides, so you could slide something in here if you'd like. You know what? I think we'll do winter wishes. That's cute. Oh, I like that. Okay. Alrighty, so this is what we came up with. These two little ephemera packs, kind of, just to go inside of your journal. A little fun treat to open up with lots of little writing space. A little tag or a little journaling card to write on the back of. This one has the little envelope that you could go ahead and write on the inside of. It also has a tuck space right here. You could tuck something. You could tuck something in here. You could tuck something in here. You could tuck something in here. That's a really cute little thing to put inside of a journal. Tuck it in a pocket in a journal. So cute. And then we made this one first. I love how this one turned out. This one has that same set of paper, the tag that you could write on, and then the journaling space paper. I love how it turned out. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.